In today's video, I'm going to share a website that really shocked me, and also I'm going to be talking about content creation coming up. Hello everyone and welcome. So oftentimes I get people asking me, Mac, what camera do you use? And I'm really reluctant on telling people what camera I use, not because it's a secret, but because there are so many ways now to get really good, high quality video, even from a mobile device. So over the weekend, I was taking a look, I'm scrolling on the internet, going through, some inspiration websites to see, what people are doing out there. And I came across this website. In fact, before I talk about it, let me just switch over to the website and show you what I mean. So over here, this is the website. I want you to listen to just a little bit of this message here.
Hello, I'm Michel Roux. Welcome to Le Gavroche restaurant here in Mayfair. We're in lockdown here and we are in my professional kitchen, but obviously there's nobody here. It's just me, a few iPhones, a microphone, but through learning with experts, we're actually all together. We're all in the kitchen together. Gosh, that smells good already. I love food. And especially the French classics. That's what I was brought up on. Part of the aim of the lessons with learning with experts.
All right, so did you get that? Okay, so basically what I found very exciting about this is the fact that these videos were made using iPhones. Unbelievable. To be honest, even me suggesting to anyone to use a mobile phone, yes, to an extent I can say, yeah, just use a mobile phone. But because I don't use one on my production stuff, there's a part of me that thinks maybe they're not good enough. But after watching this, trust me, those mobile devices that you have right now can do a fantastic job. And here is the proof. This video is the proof. So as you can see, you can really produce high quality videos with these smartphones. And I was so excited to see this because for those of you that ask me, Mac, what camera should I use? What camera should I buy? Use your smartphone. But the only thing is, for you to get great audio, what you need to do is to use a microphone. And I have one here. It's the Rode Smart Lav Plus. Now, this microphone is fantastic because all you have to do is to clip it onto your phone, on your microphone jack, and pretty much that's it. That's your microphone, and the quality is so good. In fact, you might have heard it from the video itself. The quality is amazing, and as you can see, it's only £49 in the UK here. But if you're in the US, I think it's around about the same price. So it's very inexpensive. So instead of spending like £3,000 or $3,000 buying a camera like what I did, because my camera here is a Sony a7 III with a 16 to 35 millimeter lens, it's overboard, way overkill. I could actually do this production that I'm doing right now on a smartphone. So this is pretty much a message to those of you that are holding back on creating content because you don't have a good camera. Try and do it with your smartphone and just learn how to do filmmaking, because filmmaking is what really makes your videos more exciting. So in this case, when you watch this video, you can see the different angles. You can see like an overhead view of the food. You could see the chef speaking as well. So you're having different angles, which you then splice in together in your editing software to make it really look very exciting. And then of course you can add your music there if you do use music. But pretty much the production is done using iPhones. So if you're a content creator or you want to create online courses, I would highly recommend that you learn how to do video editing, learn how to do filming, okay? Learn how to use lighting, because lighting, editing, and also learning how to film are very important. You can actually make your production of your courses even more exciting, as you saw in this video here. So to be honest, this video has actually inspired me to step up the game in terms of how I produce my videos as well, and not give excuses. So this is why I thought to myself, you know what, I really need to make this video just to inspire all of you that want to create your content right now. In fact, as you know, with this situation that we have right now, some of us have quite a bit of time because we're at home. this is the time to practice. Get someone, to record you while you speak to camera and practice. I mean, within a very short space of time, you're going to be able to actually build confidence to present to camera, because it's not easy. You need practice. So this is why I'm saying to you, the camera that you have, don't wait until you have a little bit of money, or don't waste time saving a lot of money because you want to buy an expensive camera so that you create your content. You can really produce amazing content using your smartphones. And I can't really stress this point enough. So go ahead, try and use your cameras that you have right now. Do some experiments, learn some filmmaking tips. In fact, I will be adding those onto this channel soon as well, because I'm going to be creating a segment where I talk about filmmaking and how to record your videos for your online courses, or even just for basic content, that if you need to create content. So it's really exciting. I thought I would share this with you and inspire you to also create your own videos using your existing smartphones. Like I say, the only thing that you need to do is to get the Rode SmartLav Plus, and pretty much that's your audio sorted. You don't need all these mixers, all these crazy setups. Like what I have here in the studio is crazy. I have a Rode mixer here. I think I spent £500 on it. I've got this camera, at least 300. I've got a expensive microphone. Pretty much it's just way overboard. And once you upload it to YouTube, it gets compressed. And to be honest, if you put them side by side with an inexpensive microphone, you won't be able to tell the difference. So don't let money or gear be the barrier to creating amazing looking content. All right, guys, that's all I have in today's video. If you have any questions or you want to add more to this video, please add your comments or your views in the video description below. Until next time, thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.